Yemfa seda emfama de obosro eba asase halfway na onyame e de yetwa ene the first day in the month of July 2020 nti sabre de hwede empadaroma ache busumisia aka busumisia na afe no akwawiye aseda bi oho a ono na yede emanu atrase simpumre na so binyamre na yetumi edi nkomo asibi aseda enko emfama se wo eni onyamre na o hwe live kuma ut TV yede ifri Atenga Junction ahonto kuma se na yede so no ebre wo hyene so se aseda kese so no enkoma ye proud sponsors Muhiz Herbal Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Bebiu na afenso God's Way Casket so mo so do musika aso asene se debiarada enwode na enu ni nkomo emfa oman Ghana puntu ene kanko ya transi benyamre na yesinupi amoman no agina ebesinupi ama Ghana etumi akoso na ensam doso ai ni yebenya emre na etutu na basa ene esre yebehwe the Electoral Commission day 2 of the new voter registration exercise ekoso across the country 33,000 polling stations ni over 7,000 health personnel and yato wapetin was some selected polling stations the first cluster exercise no ekoso the issue of social distancing say the observing of the protocols Ghana Medical Association the vice president to the Ghana Medical Association Dr. Frank Strebo abeka say yare COVID-19 after this exercise mamu no so na ekoso a yemfa so bo no emfa mo the commissioner of the Electoral Commission Mami Jane Mensa so no na wa masa de no asi the Electoral Commission abi ya no say there be protocols no there obawo nsa ye de temita Ghana ba kire won ya de ni na no omo ahwehwe kama na wo Ghana ni na wo ko no ya adult do ko no amfu na akote yare bi dia you can't blame the Electoral Commission ebenyamre na yedi enkomo wo ebia wo ye trading wo ha say na exercise no esi ekro ene ye dey 2 ebenyamre na yetimi edi eno no enso enkomo and then the anti-corruption campaigner and astute corruption defender Dominic Yao Demlebo Papai did Juma in December 2016 and His Excellency the former President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama appointed of Emma Obehead the Auditor General Department of Ghana when Juma Ramino say Papai I say and now no to down the 29th of this month His Excellency the President of our Republic has written to him say on proceeding on leave 3 years on and I say 4 years obi di ade no na obi take over the 1 year and they say 9 days and they say kwa leave the akani na no on leave president say looking at the Labor Act the law the sections and the kahono he deemed it fit say was said the Auditor General ebeko leave na fi no enema ebetumi so no etumi aboa na amabwa say kan say mebiri ebi say no this issue ISAB buy no pekwan bi so no papa no dwuma wo ye no ne beto aba nti bi obe interfere nti no ongo fie ebi say there be ono na abo no hutu and eyi no the leave no takes effect from today and he's supposed to report back to work come December of which by December he might be also on retirement ebenyamre na yedi ho enkomo a lot of arguments and issues and eba ewo and so Bidding at Michael Nana Adomako, over friend, say my issues with the dorsal. Yatrasi, Binyamre, na etui Eddie and Komo. Now, on my thoughts on CDP, starting today, Ghana for, I just want you to understand, say, the NDC, the NPP, the PPP, and the political parties, especially, you have to be very wise. When you go around, you say across the country, maybe a cameras got to be ano. Omo DCs, MCs, members of parliament, CEOs, and the government officials are when they come with their nose masks. They wear their nose masks or face shield, preventing themselves so that they will not contract the disease. Who Ghana nina, we ordinary person. You find it very difficult to get money to feed yourself 3 times a day. Wakobo chenkuo eho. Who ye agreements. A man for kasa wu so. Who observe protocols no. You will die if you don't take care. Now, the other to me no. Akoso the 2 million. Ask yourself, how many members of parliament do you see their children at the polling centers making arguments? How many of them do you see their relatives say omu polling center ho? Polling agents. I think it is high time you and I will say you made that. They want to say, oh, mine no be ko ya. Ejame no so de. Now so am ye ni na ho a enkofu bi be fire e de hanam amon sen. Be careful, be wise. If you don't vote, it's not a sin. If you vote, neither would that be a sin. But then make sure, say, you go there and come safely. You go safe and come safe. If you get there, you think, say, I will advise you, come home. It is good to vote, but you must make sure, say, now so observe the protocols na entimi moa ma onso no ontimi transit penche adwuma bi ye na entimi emoa yentwi ahomra ye ba ebenyamre na yetumi edi enkomo hye so say we are live on Facebook Komawut TV and then on YouTube as Sam Dakus TV ro intere ba 0543596070 na enyamre etumi akenkan edam yetwe ho aba kwaja abafo nkrato ba Richard Body Soja, a senior communication team member for the NPP. On one so and a swami, Hanswensi, a baby now on the honorable chairman Sabusu at the PIM so. This time around, we unity and honorable Captain said, Debbie, a friend of Concran, or Banana and New City and Kwa, a GBS and home, allegedly. Now, I step down. The chairman, the majority leader, Airport Swami, uncontested. Or anybody come. So and the regional communication team member for the NDC, Mia Bafo, Kwame Tua, also our General Simba, immediately. Yes, I am Yakwaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumewood TV. I said that Enko Enfa Emma Muhis Eba Center and I so God's Way Caskets. We have watched Nancy, you didn't come off. I didn't say Brad in American kind and Famra. The Electoral Commission, as I shall say, Richard Wedi Swedra, SI Ashanti Development and Defense Forum President. Richard Baba.
Yeah,
we have a body.
About the Adam.
MP
in the making. Yes. A time.
Okay.
At this particular point in time, a nipa back on the echo for Swami. The Hian saying Nabonichidom. We have one common goal. And they say Yankupon by Adam. Now the Danko for the MPP burying. So we need the none MP swa a bonichidom. So I was there one woman echo. No Timmy Bois.
But I really guess him in the mood. Say, can buy a press conference.
Maminchia Kumawood, a refone and a new woman agility. Naminchia a Santimenra, on an Atlanconia. Was Obo ADEF, Ashanti Development and Defense Forum. In an say Emranti and Mabawa, Yakayan Waboma, Yefese, a Santimine, Yebina in Puntua, a set, saying, na fi so ya boya ya man no ho ban so we will say Asantuma yenim dio enro na me kan story bi e da Ghana web kura e ka say Asanteman ana so okọ otumfo ho a ye wontuma e di more than 100 years entuma santuma no ahemfo mako enson na akọ wo mu widie emu yes otumfo na say to abio e kura abifra so eno so e de wo ho enti ye heritage ni ye niema nyina no ye pese ye boa ye bo ho ban ye de complement the effort of otumfo na trenkonwa ani wo ma e ka ho se obi e bo ne ho modern se ato asanteman ani munyama ye wo no ye benya na atena ho da na nchirima so aba be benefit na atese wo wiase nyina enti me chia obi bia na me party mpanimfo wo mu a e boa se registration na ye nyankopon mo ma ho den na enkoso kama regional ministers MMDCs na mechia wo mo bo se yesi me konkran ba me konkran de bia me konkran enti me konkran ba da be de bia me konkran
konkran ba be press conference yesi woti
minua ma me kan asem we na me make it clear na me kan Yankopon so asem ne me last 4 years me contested Ebuana yes last 4 years I was persuaded to step down me ya manje but the make say me de minim say ewiase wo ye nipa e bibia ne de wutimi ye e wo wiase no ene yesi say wo yiri wonsam dendin pia etoda ye boom eno nti wo ye nipa odwene na wo hu ebre wo say wo stretch wonsa na wo say hu da ebre wo say ogu wonsam but what you say eduru ho no eye no kro say empanifo ne mekasa especially to me nimpeni for party speaker of parliament muni na me share but not say omuni me ko shia ka say akosibo this one akọje sika say nejai no me enen no ene mani so ade god forbid say me say must step down me tie empeni for the omuka say party ni ye die nti me hwe modern ba awura no obo ma party no nti me step down that is all me tie ase a mate ase and I consulted my followers link penifo a omukebe wo ma me ne omutu anamonda bia no eso omunyina ma amadwene enti eye party ni yedie party ni nkan ko ene me anka so amehwe say owura no modern a wo bo no ne penifo ka say at this particular point in time don't contest him who am I eye party ni yedie enti a enye me selfish e be interest nti say me koji God forbid me nua Nyankopon adaroma me ye adwuma a Nyankopon ma me kakra edidi enu nti medidi saa kopim se bia me pesika kese Nyankopon be dom me saa enye se me ton me ni monyam so bi first kana me step down for what no and they be intimi nsi
ena no edin ko mama me ma be me bafu baba
ya bunu
bako de
boko
o shati kama
send me shit
even in opposition still no you look good
opposition dey yard papa me mum we e wo da me wodropu ne o power na me ye
stuff for the camera
awo ba besi ene tu sha won se e yada da The choice my share about 3 years. But Namitias, cover 5 months. Now you're big Ghana for how many money.
Now I share for
Now, I definitely use me a number.
Oh,
in fact, I'm the general secretary for Abidjan Coincidential and Yabishao as the Ashanti Development and Defense Forum. As Antiform Bunua and Memane and Maya kind of Wabuma until one to say the break and put to their back as a team. Now, as I saw board, I remember any and an anomonium on the Jaya and money identified as Antiform mobile. The two on a mix of political parties. Oh, and this people MPP 70 senior or MPP in the NDC, about almost before and I came home my from near corner is Yanese. Yeah, meetings are a test of Massimo 1 year to 1 year F a crowd. Oh, so this is how we want to encourage ourselves as Ashanti youth. Said, yeah, a bit my kind of one book, a bit my people to it. But so be more than some combat and you want to choose to try. You don't have any control over it. Your war now you don't choose your tribe. Until you be a will be tribal. Yeah, not a hand because then you choose to come and you can't come Ghana. Come to US, especially California. It's like I'm going to be choose to come here. You may, God damn it. So, but then I'm saying in choose and my as until you don't determine they are tribal, yeah. Then try to say very respectful because no only can
just a minute. From Muhammad received manifesto and never received a comment. So he has received the manifesto of the NDC and a good manifesto. Babon Tia, the room for one pan and a better children. The Abocon number changed so called and no, my company.
Well, so my Erika has said, I flew a manifesto of the people by the people and for the people. As there is for the first time, Ghana, among us in NDC, a back for, and the manifesto no, if you want to was it, say you could say, Ghana, Libya, or to say, or will be pictured. On the most the road tracker man, maybe tracker man in Tankasa, my voice in tea. On the Akasa Radio Society. Because I no be ever be human. The same tracker man, I'm going to do. But to take care of the politics, we didn't amount for a child of mine being the mind. Who say people down there amount for good suggestions are on which media or mine. So when this decided, said, let's go down. Now you created that platform whereby Obi Pia Opese or Gibia or Tima said Opese Opese Yabuan near the Ghana. Fabra or the buyer, yeah, but you go on the battles and me no market, except as I said, this is one of those meditation. In summer, I want this manifesto. I and someone kind of one and captures and Munye my win and we are so this is the first and foremost the most authentic, reliable manifesto ever Ghana. You are looking forward to it. DNA, of course, a sample of it. After so I manifesto, a very big brainstorming process. What can I say? Then people who could be in the area of specialization. Now brainstorming, we are. Then you produce the provisional, as a way of provisional manifesto back into those words. What the provisional manifesto the bar. Now, if the first that go through and Sana, among for the agent, Edra, no one of a Navy friend here. You call any documents come on. Also, present a very fantastic idea. Made for their common penny. We are still compiling, but we every day. I can't finish it that is I can't say quarter cry by August today. Now, you're the one of first to know. And
you're too late.
I come once then.
You have about 5 months to listen. And you're too late.
And you're too late. Because once I shine, you say a friend of prima and first two promises.
First 18
I say, you become about the doom of Kibia, and you have to teacher training allowance, as store.
No, I want
oh yes, but said in our previous administration, they cancelled it. And they increased the number from average of 8,000 to 16,000. And before, but I must have to so back to an average of 9,000. And we were introduced to quota system. So this time, I need to see any kind of one human. If Ghanaians believe that let's reduce the number and pay allowance we pay.
Okay.
And the answer, I can say, oh, you better do
Rich.
NDC
manifesto. A advantage to more
NDC manifesto. Aba, I didn't be. Unim, a 2 year Kassan, Patrick, or say, Omuko red passenger cars, car, Omukolin Namha, Omukolin Namha, Unim. And some of women manifest in the morning. I make them true because.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and Crawford, would they be? And Crawford be where you more, MPP for more. Your church will be coy. And not you share woman manifest to know what it any bad. A duplication of MPP, your policies in wow. Usha was it TVET, may buy, may yet TVET free. Minya, TVET is free as we speak.
But not necessarily.
Oh. Not to tertiary, but TVET is free. Technical Vocational Education and Training called Kumasi Vocational Training Institute. A free. Yeah. I'm telling you for a fact. I work on CODVET projects. Okay. I'm telling you, even we have something we call voucher system for Obia on normal school. Now oye apprentice kwa oye tibo ebia wo pama de. Wo mu kura no now wo mu ko school bia ye frɛ no voucher system Bosumi biano, they get allowances, trainees, no. Even the big
10 Ghana cedis a day.
It doesn't matter. 10 cedis a day, it's worth it. Wouldn't even those who are trainees and colano, womo be a friend of CBT, competence-based training, so that we tailor, let's all call we master, I will tell you. Let's say fat trading CBT no more. You qualify, say, who training a colano so no, also yes, Nina is under this TVET program. Eboa ama ubia hwan. Wouldn't the reason? And as we speak, and kolampe edumesua, and kolampe so be kwa waste time, esua tailoring, hairdressing, and then fitting, welding the kawono. Oh, because it's 70 or per se, or coordinate, or cotton way, but this is to entice them into learning a skill. So I say, I need to know this guy. And to the American say, TVET down the Asio model say, free dada. Unim alawano yenya force do me say ye the because say monko kasa alawano mo ana mutwa mu mo ba mo besa ade aba no mo san class. I'm telling you omunyi hwe ka because alawa is being given. Ye the ma alawa ma wo mu da bia enu di o ka de na ba o say postgraduate no ahwa no so ba obeba bepe employment pool bi no do makogum o wia na ko minia. So I say, NTA,
you pursue them on community. Just by the way, and DC manifesto, Enterprise never went to Ghana for Yano, and Samangasa, a woman, Yombayama Ghana, if given the chance to rule again in Ghana, and they could do home back. For Enterprise, in Yamra and come from our over Electoral Commission. Today happens to be day 2 of the Electoral Commission exercise across the country. Now, Ghana Medical Association, and your Makasa, almost say social protocols, no, and Yajuma, protocols in Yajuma. Now, who said you see, Conwan Shia, and the Yareta Pa, and about Ghana. I say, Yaria no COVID-19, no, and those one, Jenfas Bono, and for more the Electoral Commissioner, Mame Jane Benson. But then, in response to that, Dr. Sebo Kweku, in charge of Electoral Services, Director of Electoral Services, also. Abiyano said Debbie, if you pass one and more the Electoral Commission. If someone they want a provision that the way a Ghana we are mature above 18 years. Now who knew say Yaria Bentino, obey nose mask, obey the stand somewhere for union league now. Now the over now fire ready because of exercise no one. Who are one will that's on Electoral Commissioner. Sir and no Cantino, me and possible and more. Exercise no so air coso. Of course, such a fan planes are and 2 gentlemen are on NDC for Chiwamu. They say they were trying to deny some non-residents. Say on a register. Omo dem kakra fine. Afina regional executives of the NDC Akowa HBAU. And other issues are also in the Accra Girls Institute. Yes, Nyagro. Ever translate say press conference. NDC for some every people some now on their boy. But all in all. Exercise no so cost. My mention say free Rachel. What do you mean to on exercise? What do you follow? What it be free and right edisi and the Ghana Medical Association maintain
yo me that's it bro registration me dey actually ya te ho asem ya bobo ho a o say ya sha se free baby ni abedu ha o NDC woso isa process we ne car no o ma woso no de na fiat tem ne yesore ne yesi na ekọ Supreme Court na ye bugu omu so ne yesi o mutimi sore o so ye bu amaye ade me che o say ya Jeffrey yensem ene ya ba beduru he menua na the Americans say ma me nkọ Ghana Medical Association ene Mr. or the doctor na Sebo Kweku aha e de ne so ansa unim me I have some expertise on occupational health and safety. In fact, before I came here, me call company be a friend Springs and Boat. Okay. Yes, now me call more environmental management and safety in sense. Na me call on me query wo mu year because what I saw the me hunu wo no na me nche ho. Enye me nsuro se meka de oye ne dia no madamfo me nua betimi aka na oba bia so what you say me ne nkrofo kasai wonim ade ba ko a every safety expert and safety practitioner be can show say your safety obligation starts from you. Okay. Me ade be bo me ho ban e wo mapom den ene madwuma me ho bibia me ye bia no e sha se free me ho se me ba dem has sia as we speak my safety responsibility no e wo won sade but I was saying them dikan e ye ho adwuma and san wa provide them with it so what you say because akonya we obama betina so no se bua me betina so na me vigilant na me de me saso mo ansan matina so me hu se bu that is why I'm saying say my safety obligation starts from me sana etie e wo covid yi mu any our daily activities na sana etie pepepe president abedina Ghana fo nyina anim e mako fi se yade bae no 13 times and na woni ya be kasa and na what this safety protocols or dey bia na wo be kan wasem se menuanom me ye mafam de se president de aban no ye na fam de se aban de nanso as an individual you have your responsibility se me ye mafam de nyina na se wa anya wo de se wo ye nipa menua de maye ni nyina no ye be bregu kwa enu ti so ko companies na se for a wo se ye free PPEs personal protective equipment eye emrase obi oye employer bia o provide the employees with personal protective equipment eno de eye employer no asudie se employer no nya togu go wie it becomes the responsibility of the employee so make sure so obehye eno ti se employer na atogo oni ho na se wo ye adwuma na e wo se o hye safety helmet na wan hye na se dua bi another dua bi free so na boat na sebe uwu a eye na who cause am
but so we know space no I was say a easy provide some amount for me enya baby papa at night registration because we not the space no area and them one officers be 9 omo ye isi man work together with one baba register so you didn't provide enough space for the residents.
Asema me kan senka me sure so what me but wonim me say safety obligation starts from me wonim say so your employee na say wo employer ka say ye adwuma bi na wonim say adwuma na wo say wo ye no wo ya personal protective equipment and sana wo ye adwuma no na wo amfa ama wa as an employee you can refuse work and so in the same way workers na wo ye adwuma ma easy no so wonim say covid era yi e wo say ye distance ye ho na say easy for ma wo mu a compromise ya sa workers no they have themselves to be blamed and no timi am yetimamuni a me so me ko ho akwa sunline na for no e wo say me hu say ma distance me ho wo waso die o wo yetimamuni a wo so wo wafam die say wo say wo ye aban no disika ne niam bebre e boa wo man no de nanso wo die kakra wo say wo ye ne say you say at this particular point in time me distance me wash me nsa me use sanitizer but nipa bebre wo mo enye sa de no me enra enene mako round I'm telling you swami I've
ba ama yakoti swami ukoye de kusie me ba ma so na me ne reporter Samuel Yeboa eni nkomo Samuel otemenka e mo dwenu mre Samuel otemenka hello Timinka. Okay, I think Samuel Timinka. Hello. Hello. Samuel Timinka.
Enti the make say ansana me free ho say the make say owura sebo kweku any Ghana medical so wo hwe de wo ma de no na untimu blemu obi o wo sa de no me make say e wo setimamufuo no ye ya famu de e say
mama me say Samuel you better Timinka. Samuel Timinka. Hello. Okay.
Entitimamufo no ye waso di se e wo se ye de me say me call rounds e wo so ame o se me card ni obi anhwe makoye me de yes me card ni me din ne boso me picture fe background blue baby a me to aba e ho na me koye na mani je papa me to aba wo so ame o so ame baby e wo me a ye frɛ ho akosi temporary boot TB akosi prempe park na ko si prempe ye friend handyman abro sa na se e ho na da bia me bisuafo na ye to abantu ko ho a me ko ye o ma bo tent e wo ho e na officers no e so wo efie nanim sei enti e na o de nkonwa asisi ho saa enti obia e ye distant me ko mani je me ka to me so o mani age de mbehu wo ha me ko baabi Methodist Church me ko ho se de na city no mani age because na say wo mu wo centers me yenu enu ti na ama nipa no adoso nti mi ka kire man se mesre mo me tete ye ho ntem kakra na protocols no yenji so anya sa be hwe no bia be fa yade afesu mi ka kire nkrofo wo mu hye nose mask na se wo mu fa nose mask nkrofo be se 5 pra I bought nose mask 2 cities e de man wo
so na the duty of the electoral commission and as officers no me man say
you should walk them away into the yes. I
have a picture of yesterday. I will be what take officer no more registration.
No on share.
I took the picture and later on told him say on share the nose
mask. Ebia who say so picture na me say me anyway and am the fear no pa buy me dey.
Spencer and time say somewhere Yebo Asamba. Hello Samuel Timinka. Hello. Hello. Okay.
The make say me make na me die kura me but do say me twa picture no ka say me yi un say e wo say wuyi ndu yi wi a na wo de ahye me expect say yenye nipa na nkasa no yenye ye hu bi yes obi ye wa na so aye hu bi o e wo say wo bo wo hu ba me say ye safety starts from if you say 2 cities obi risk at oh na wo ye ne saa no a say you see one show kete she no aba hokora na wo se wo hye ko te se de na make employee de no so te ase so employer
I was in Chomra this year about this year. Yes, I am a from a Sinopi on Komo TV. I didn't say 0243-596-070. Or his numbers, then friends, so what do I didn't say? We go so it didn't come up on the Electoral Commission. You can also watch us live on YouTube, Samdakus TV, and then on Facebook, Komo TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments, just drop them. Maybe I'm ready. Now, you can kind of Richard, what is Soja? Sounds so and Bafo Kwame. Today, I think.
They say, "Were you Patrick?" No.
Oh, is it? Yes, Bafo Wako. Moderate, and rather shots here from the Aswanse constituency threats or back the fee, any other issues. The course so adjusted to say, and then that of such a farm place. Any other areas. Mean you, any Electoral Commission thing, Ghana Constitution, so I cannot pay.
Well, Sir Mike, yes, I before you. Now, yes, I know my sister, we don't want to bring our money. About a commissar, Asha, said in the now, Andra, you try to say a local house, you are called, say, when this one, and I account because the music says, when this one you need. Oh,
better know this. On
Saturday morning, you didn't know. Yes, on Saturday, the more better idea. Oh, when you better now on Sanko, yeah, better what to be.
And we just by the way. And it's almost as ya or more. Now, near man, a dead justify. And this is for Ghana for be no one, and some more kind as I never do as a Bible was no woman dead the piffy. The AC dead the piffy, and someone this kind, you know, but everything saying. One about the commission the car said, or a cluster, or a police stations a boom. The kind them way, the catcher no say, I did about the commission, and do you never come see. If you say, Sakana COVID-19, you will cry there, give it my fans. But the 24 say, if you are an answer, dear woman, and to come out and say, Tunku. I didn't think I make us. And I for your registration, no, we use class system. Who stress her? Ghana for firm. If you must be Kodawa or Machina, and son or Motini and registration, will be or Kohobe 4 days. Still, na card look out with me unregistered. It is only money see you. Nanka you say about talk commiss and never be there. A few. But no one also, as I surprisingly, or the core parliament, not the American with your phone for Ajatu, especially in COVID-19 era. COVID-19 about come crowd to no one. Yes, say, Yense, so I'm an Adam for bread because Carno, your first fool crana, and that's saying, Nana more fancy. As also as a so moody to say, see, any other boy I ran over. But already the officer of police station, I don't say another phone is in it so over. Because send independence out to say ID crimes are acquired by winter. Look at the pictures that's articulating. Look at the videos you're all watching.
This is pictures maybe over a fake.
And I didn't go put it on a fake. The picture I not to say that they fake. Jamia go hospital and go and not to many to see a fake. Yes, I don't know why we was here. We had the SO guest to be true as it. And I was Madam August and come home. Thought I say because what time no you see a chance here, pa, maybe or 2 hours on near end. Now I want to not register. And to me say, we sorry, the police station I'm going to do as I have come home or more. Talk about assemblies of God. Now say I don't want to talk about a senior who will move here to city apart. I mean, that already a pass I have. Some home so yeah, and by force. You can't mean and winning. COVID-19 I did ya gone. Serious though. What are the also other countries? Now how I really city or more. I am part on a mini but see assume I don't just say you didn't care quite what could not come back and say you didn't care about me. Until the first year Dinamidi near deep thing of mobile and just said Yen never be a canny bubble money police you do police station and the camp also that I don't know social distance in your daddy. Opinion who obeyed my cat as I near my police station and my running economy. Unya conforbi, Unya obeying my buffalo, the forms and Limocafu in I am no one I can't tell say, as I said, it is social distancing because I did not hear the canny boss one, and I never got any. Now it is clear. say within the next 23 days expect our cautioniness see if you get anybody to quadruple bit ma double because area no nipa na ehia won ba ko pe kura di bi wura wa asema e obe free police station won da say nipa bro ahanu enti nipa na wo ba no so no omo nim di fona me wo say bibi asymptomatic but for na kana si tani say obi wo yare ni bi kura ba na say ni ba dua ma kwa no ho odin ti no ni kwakwa na ko yare no ho odin ti no onhunu hwe say owo bi no ode na ho enti wo sia wo no chia wo kura na onya malaria onya fever or yare ni bi some of ni bi na test wo ma na ade be ti so ma
rescue no a ohunu pefe say baby o wa we o ko won session
you don't need any picture again omo ba ya omo ka say you observe the protocols omo de Veronica bucket e be si ho wa be do ga ba ho nsa e na ba bi no kwa ya na Veronica bucket si ho
oh fine
and me fa the friends assembly of God home and papa
I was soccer band
for state experimental on me me o so hu bi
Santa bia no wa ye call ya
ebi ni ho
ye hu those things but the ebia e cost one say amanfo na
no you see say shamra let's be strict to ourselves o shamra dey tin e o ma before mo dey go e ma no human beings every freedom it is our shamra na o jam man to us obi e so
but that's what we say omo ko tru de no they above 18 years
so any kaza
when you fit it is omo say yare o na o ba ko fa yare no a it's over to you
say my exercise dey na get to court to them because obi obedi boni bia do na say above 18 years omo ku nipa no omo wi ade some above 18 years and if the notion is that obi the 18 years as so who left on the right and say you protecting it there then we should close all our courts. It doesn't make sense. The argument now how come excuse me to say it is simply it simply doesn't make sense. The fact is that some of them mraba and say more ombedi ombesha mrano ama mrana here we are human beings obi have freedom no smart say am pension any ne depend na the person na mana dey born when say dey go bia bola ka but when there is mra edahon say show here na okwa bibi an kwa koyewa na we are na say dem na to won say okwa amount 12,000 60,000 don't have issues with the figures say too much so ka say obi an say no smart sir your money ka 60,000 Ghana cedis 600 million o Ghana cedis minimum 12,000 Ghana cedis na police ni chi me na me ka na jama me ka no me 50 Ghana cedis so me jia no compare because go do court about 12,000 but say dey be 100 cedis partial e share wa no tu share ka bo how amount be si I you say figure no man board and coming back who do police station wa no smarts in ebi nchebi makasa say we say no smarts in the board dey say kwa abani nye effort kakrampo you see effort kakrampo what the man no offense head event say tailoring and dressmaking association for say omo providing no smarts COVID-19 funds the car them as at now e go over 40 million Ghana cedis. We even 10 million Ghana cedis and look at the number of nose masks we can provide. By this time, and Kafuli station via a biswo, what providing nose masks be about 1,500. How much will it cost? And to be only BBC, yes, I want mobile because so be a negligence, and I will be in the Mona Wanya Libya, opposed to a risk to all of us. That is why, as people, we should protect them by force. Sakaya the same HIV. Nipano Kanas went no koye nem pama go no nya no kwa na nam ne ba bia ke ha den ba we bia wo ka nipa ka je nipa na se no smart use your hands sanitizer no anya nipa ni nya bia obeye a threat to the entire community in Ghana for nyina. That is why the government must come in and make sure say there is systematic and nyama idea go according to address it and yes by force and to provide bi we go do police station no smart there 500 is ho obi oni bibia nyama ni bi so on sha I'm sure saying you call and give say I deny you again. Police for no mujina they are handicapped. To go police station anybody bottom dump over 500, 600. Now police for me and 9 mujina on how can they observe social distancing? Then the police for 4. Ego maybe some more observing social distancing, police for 4. But to go voter and soldier for more than 200 who aflau no more food.
President on Sunday, it's a 95. on Monday.
Into a moment to grow on the woman figure. We will say that you discuss. I'm only telling you that we can deploy 4 policemen to COVID-19 center, maybe I to manage about 500, 600 people one power. But we can send more than 100 policemen to one town. So more in the name of protecting the bodies. That is the kind of leadership we are having in this country. Again, say you can't easily to who free who free China because easily I was a COVID-19 war. And the notion, the idea that say a police station alone, I'm easily guilty because you say Kamukraya Kana and you 14 as a 13 then just from 6 and I just so 8. How much more say baby I will leave the police station do her who need to order that say you try about 300 400 and the talk about passing. You think in new crowd police station go and side and their polling station, Mangwasi police station, Nipper talk over 500. Say, my, and Sanka under COVID-19, yet Chamangwasi police station, no come back 3. But Mammy, the men are in the about commission. I can't tell police station is
police station. Among come, your more can I say? Among all police, that's 3,000. Right. Yes,
brother, and let's be a me interjecting, but let the truth prevail.
Police centers across the country.
Oh no.
Yes. Over 30,000 police stations. At first, near about 26,000. Now you're away 33,000 and over. But then another information on is a cluster. Yeah, I have that is what is going on.
He still doesn't understand.
He still doesn't understand. Nana Yao Bediakon from Carrier or say Mike watching you live. You are discussing the superb. Greet my boss, Body Soldier, for me and tell the NDC to drop their manifesto because it will not deal them anywhere. Okay, and also the Abba, I don't know. Was it good evening, Sir Mike? First day of registration have largely been successful, but we plead with EC to rectify the few hitches that has been reported. COVID-19 is real, so let us all observe the safety protocols. Farouk, they are the Fitema, and so the Abba, and no. Good evening, Sir Mike. Watching you live from Setri Debiso in the Western North region. Please, when will you invite our DC to come and tell us the bad leadership rule he is exhibiting in Setri Debiso? Greetings to all social
Western.
Okay, and also the Abba and no. Well. Interesting. I'm Jemima watching you from Atebubu Amanteng. We have started our registration exercise, but please, the social protocols is not being observed, so I rush out so as not to get the disease. Hey, Namudiano so Sabayiri, Sami Boache Asaman Kese, I think we should commend and encourage the Electoral Commission for their boldness and competence in bringing new registration exercise to reality. The deceit, inconsistency, contradiction, hypocrisy, and double standard of the NDC-led government official one would still keep them in opposition and retard Mahama, aka GO1, in politics. Okay, for more to do more. Okay, and also at the end, Teacher Kuju from Tepa in Esoso. How is the military presence going to intimidate any Ghanaian from registering? If you are a Ghanaian and have all documents to prove that you are a Ghanaian, no one will stop you. The only way to be intimidated is when you are not a Ghanaian and still try to register. For that one, shake. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu, Afwano North MP. Okay. So they are not going to here on Kumaut TV. You might know a CDP.
Let me
Okay.
explain.
For no see now time now so now they will and I think it should be your strategy. And I'm getting to know you more.
No, man, you know.
Now,
the point I was trying to make is that maybe sorry we call me police station we talk. We drew one up upon it. And no, they won't come there. I don't know they ever told. Maybe one come. Is it not true that they have told about there won't be any registration over there? Why?
But there is no about the information I want to reach about.
Say, Mami, explain it.
What do you mean about? I'll come to you. Allow me to speak. But the guideline, and as a briefing, as the media. You know, information said any of the constituencies why you take the number of police stations.
No, you didn't get me right. Now, you cannot reduce the number of police stations because the number of police stations has been specified in the CR 126. That is not my argument.
So what's
my argument is that there's a compilation of the polling stations. And in the CR 126, they said that 6:1.
On TSC, but make sure you say 6:1. I say, no, he's getting more confused. You are getting more confused.
You are not helping. You are not helping the issue. I don't know make an say. They see a children. Call baby, I'm talking. You do another phone you. And I was as I didn't know what I say. And almost like a cowboy. I'm part of so almost so the Anamia. But I only talk about and come on. It means that we are talking some other places that can't work creative media. Almost a very cluster. I don't know how many Panama people hope it. And since I mean, for anything, it's not true that we are only talking about here and Jordan do water. Is it not true?
All right, I'm going to come many Secretary Afam Plains NDC Communication Officer. Kabore Mahmoud. Kabore Tianka, and what you was in the episode. Kabore Tianka. Hello? Hello, Kabore. Kabore, what's it? Okay, too bad.
The Bia, what do you want to see? What do you see?
I'll give you a time, no. I know. So I spend almost a year.
Young told you no police station. First question. 2. Before you answer. 2. And young said, the police stations now boom. As stated in the CI 126.
May say. So I'm here as a me and this time around. Kabaro to me car, come on you. Kabaro to me car. Okay. I think say yes,
say you can say you can be Biabuma and say I say
you can't
Kabomu ye.
Oh, say
oh combine me no why. Say you can say me no you ya Kamboma. Ya what? Me boa. That has never happened. And yes sir. Cluster of 6 that ye can. Me mouse swame as example. Old Swami electoral area. Yes, say polling station 6 and a chassis. Say won't count polling station, won't talk about any of the polling stations. You have no business going there. What you say? It won't call a new so. It yet, but you can't go say, you can't say polling station in our boom. I'm not what to say there. We insinuate no. That is not so. But yeah, you see, I say. Police station by Mabako, where Okoswamia, Oswamia, Febako, Freeman College. Omoye, a 2 Uye, Ubia, what about Freeman College. I was so called registered there. Oko a Japan, Omoye, I was so called. Oko temporary book, I could see Grandpa, I was so called. NVTI, Omoye, I was so called. And the messages, Omo, you know, I was so called. It's IS6. And just say, I can't in our boom. But the cluster of stations say, Womana, ye you will say, and ye woman dear. And it is a woman yet will be able to about any of those stations now. Don't go there. A bedroom was so. But what you say? Sana ye, you can't be no, I could also say. No,
first,
now you can go and go register. Sana would and say sign. Me police. No, and you knew so, and you so. Yes, no, and you so. But one my yabom this is 6 no. Obia a register. Obia why I can boom. Me say, I opa call so Mrs. Me say now, you will hear my polling station 6. I can name them Freeman College, Ejapon, Kosi Prempe, NVTI, 4 no. Swami A Methodist A, and Methodist B. Yes, 6 and no year. And no no cluster no. But I can't say I come na boba or muya. No, obi a yen dear, I station. Obi a yen on the station. Baby, I met to aba, Kosi Prempe Park, a hona me call ye immediately. There were 2 about Japan, or so, woman in them, a quawa. In fact, I could see Prempe a park the Sonim Swami, a park and so. A opposite, a Honda NVTI, as so, a camo. Ufi wa Methodist, a one adjacent say, a camo. And it is so because you are canning in Abuba, and then no person worker.
No, there is of allegations. Okay, Mary said this time I want to man and a cabaret in. Cabaret good. Boy and Como, exactly what happened, Emra, I was at a fan place. You say more NDC for more preventing Crophobia, said more register. And because of that, Mummy knew her, Yache, Microphone, you know, I didn't see Anka.
Let us say that Mabu Abasobecha was a full and then no Queen said the media motin on the motive from Bako. Added to that, NDC said complaints. Abra started registration no Enra. Na inina kwa yes. I never can run in Yalantia, said DC, you know. Honorable adventure one. That's what I saw. Aqua far as you could be a movie district no more. But as I move through Okurantino, baby on Metacra, Nabushi, a few of Nokapatano. Heading, and the ICT Center, well district no more. And our Mukofa mattress, the hot to 2 horses in Kofu in Kodaso. There could be a pursue and not as almost a million Crophobia or about 3 scholarship. Now, there was scholarship for district, you know. Now, district, money, no more, union school fees, grand school fees. They went to me about my district, you move by now, but it's in your man. You work on society. Some might look when I get you. Such as a halfway in the Disantimua, or more barbecue one being. Electoral Commission, Melano Sumuno. This will be a way in favor or trade. It will be an argument with Kano, and the Akamo, I did back with doing what into my Rano Maho will be a world trip to take online address, a whole of Peso Kotwaba, and Rantia. It's a man to be no more police station back home. Agent, I know what as soon as senior been shared with general line with the so move curriculum and more electoral commission for Merano fire Dumana for challenge from the GB let challenge or we went to the agent or Argentina or no, I would not can never NDC agent on the challenge you to only on TV that. And you know, they are no baba between your appointees there, the agents, and challenge a branch and NDC for any MPP agent. And what happened MPP agent, he fresh what team. Abrante bakwa Mamboni anu oho the Abrante echo so confusion ha Mamboni so as unprofessional on his part no when Mr. Asenu said yet no answer wabebo Abrante party na kwasa na na yagu form Abrante so am pray pinchen and your brother and the the bromo a chi any part of me nsa e do mkoto double so police cells confirm say ade sign we got the airport to be a years so be you on the mic. But can ya be la more right. Copium time I don't care 11. And I'm not telling about who said you probably only 3 minutes the day. What you to do is in a swimming nano. That was a 2 man of it releasing a part. Now you're rushing at the call as a pity. I didn't go to St. Vincent Clinic and I do not. Yamin charge you were responding to treatment. And yet you have to keep the lama mental ya. I know more far with you. The minimum say Odencham is biting more than he can chew. Now, the minister who is here say my country when you want it. I don't think I will freeze the Wayne country, you know the video that someplace. Then we are by a to an idea good train. It's a copa bonte, so for bar I tell what you hear. It will become me at your terminal. They come intimidated at from place to bar. Or then tell me to visit from place to bar. Now, yeah, at a Manukuni had the other man ambassador.
But then, the DC for such a place and then the LPP parliamentary candidate. Eka say regional chairman for the NPP and the executives. Aban Naso Party Choice the mbrante ne ye no onfa enche wo mo nti de wo kan no na say kakra wo ono no a o ntimi timu no e na mo regional secretary ekopa ne chewo
seba wada o ma baby na man to asabi
o dan chem say regional executives abepa ne chewo ama ono kra na ehwe ama ebia je de bo mo ne kwa be chewo mo a so say mo nkrafo no enni fode a how come say Nana Kwesi any other regional executives across such a fan place are omakobuko to jo dan chemani so on fanche
kasa anything ko so ati ase eti asem to yete ka na ntu ana aka to pa se enu anu di enti bi awaya still police for me now so I must put this on record say if no you ba go do me police military fine who ka ba go do the mechanism no see the piece you want to say wo ye adwuma so ma Ghana because sha ba na na dan go ku fa do to so am MPP form government we no e ka ba akoko no je ko na na Ghana what happen in a we play politician that won't play am Ghana team amufuo no you have yourself wanting e ti ba na sa no e bia ni ntimi ya de o no so sa no pe regional party hierarchy no wo mu na ba no be solidarize the original time by original secretary 24 P for region by ya that be amayi atoyi ye mranti omonye omofo ofa odia omo nam ho
right
such a front place the intimidation no start here but unim said ye peace loving people law abiding people but we are not cowards we will never be cut down we will never be registering with all vigilance. Said 7 January 7 December 2020. No. Now, none of them is going to survive the will of the people, and I know they will be disgracefully disgraced on that day. A day I say, but the day of Nijama Amagana Manina, no, mine are found to my patra.
Come on, Yanase, now into for say, Mama Neman perform. Now, a very successful registration exercise. Why?
This way there was a power, Mojua Power.
Okay. Such a fan place, NDC communication officer, and then 10 vice president, KNUSC, Kabore Mahmoud, and then Nikodin Komono. A honor, NDC seats. In Asante region, NDC were 3 seats. Such a fan place, a Jura such a Dumase, and then Aswanse constituency. All these 3 seats, no. There has been a lot of allegations, complaints. Say the NPP are trying to bus people to those constituencies to register. We allegations are NDC for the airbar. I don't know. And I'm so many ranting with Makosi for right. So yeah, me too. Now yeah, incidents. If you are na yedi munkumu.
So my issue of say ya combining police stations yam na back.
But note your.
They make an say, sir, what you Abribia, registration for voters card here. Especially a certificate.
They are now also chunk of
thank God, say, Okuni Padebia, so no, Okunu, say, Wakope Babia show, and the one. Now they make an say, I can see, Sandy Mawin is, but I was seeing now, now you face it this year, now you make it. Because, what I say, who will challenge you, Pia? Who will challenge you, be say, who need 18 years more? You must go, say the Pacono, at 80 also need 18 years.
You don't prove over there. He who alleges must prove. Yes. But at the polling center, you have right to
neighbor. The open can say, I was so far now challenging. Yeah. You cannot prevent the person from registering. And you not airport so be register within any 18 years. Now, opportunity back on one definitely. A second one is say, almost you, I'm for passing for me fear pushing. My office, I was swamming. In fact, swamming a woman. The man in the middle of a phone, swamming, or no more. Me too, shimmer. It is a me few shim no mapa swamming. and I'm saying to Swami, like I said, your pass me from.
But what you know?
What you say?
It's Obiano said Swami.
In the same way, some people are not known. What you say? What maybe you need to know. And I'm a pass Swami. Oh, I can see you are registered. But to do a while, or ye team, wouldn't you know? And so Swami not to avoid the out of and which you are good now. And two who so that or better register Swami. Oh, MVP for an Akobasina, a pass Swami so register. And then the correct. Put him and perform it below or Mutikubasina. Baby think right, baby regional capitals, no one who come no to about minimum enough phobia, appear could be. No, ye NDC, DC, immediate past, so winning that. No, official no, DC, Madame for no, because we didn't know a PPR, what you say. Yeah, Tikumasi, you go school to about our or no, what you go. Akumada and the Cotuama. Ye come, ye was school to go, ye bab at Twapa, you didn't have a pass and do. What's half a pass at Twasso, Echo, and notice will be Nimuno. Say, I will free grand, what by the register or what? I said, but
what is it? Why do you think, say, San Echo Sobia? There are NDC, okay, members, ever, in Sutapa. If we ever, ABR, I would say, yes, if we ever to say, but they are not complaining about possibility. They are not complaining about ABR. But they are complaining about these three constituencies who said.
They are encouraging our people. Say, what was it? Make for register. Make from also make for register. I encourage that person to go and register. And until now, I said they will be in the Bakasa and the court. I'm out for Baswame and the BF free can register. And she asked why I'm out for free can register. So I say, but opening said. And now say be a you sit in tea. Woman say, oh, a man never say, that's a intimidate you. That's why the show. That's what that's what is happening. Yeah, Mr. Say, Omunyai, Ubia Ufi say, on ye, sir, or says of Fata say, on your voters ID card. So challenge that person. What that say? But Ubia or your gun and me, Papa, dear. Papa, hope I saw comment.
You're faster now. Dr. Muhammad Isa Ababu. I can't say I really want I don't want to go far. And so a draw there in the mouth. We said, you never drew, you be drew mapa, you draw kind hammer, and a Dr. Muhammad is a review at the SIRA. Say, Waware, I war ember, which is in the area. Some road walk to them. If you want your diabetes, appetite is not one and call. In an about with my papa. Now, when me and I say ABCBC, Una de Azim ye. 1 hour was a seminar. Mode na Ebra, Kumasi, Santimantemwa, Udium, among us of me up the hall, and Muhammad Isa Ababu, Doctor Ubutu, Umadia na Ebra no Hoya. What my friend so I was 0249616967 0249616937 of a doctor Obajoso na Afronodi Kobo. We had a quadru how my economic Hamawi, let me kabum na another brassy who we are with me faka and the Banakachi. We and then Dr. Paco come from the Damas. We bring dear, Fidian Ponia Lai is on far walk. We are son into me and from Rosanso and Abia na nay yare near the other Banco say now this be Ashen after an several. Ashen Ubenia pa so Benya Adaka a Sefata. Yana ka be di sinipa da ka go ka bia ko to no kura no enhyem kuran o ma de ya lebra kumase o ba kumase a o se ko asafo labor runabout ubi wa be ya me choro de na ka ne kama na ore da ka ne ma wo so no o ma ka e be tum e de akọ bia wo wo no kama o te di onyo ka eska bia sa so kura na so na se bia na de se na fi mu na o da mo kire o ba da ka ne kwa ambulance ka ho na ko fa fu mu so mo kire let the papa come on. Obey now, we are. Was I proud of Scabba? You know, we are yen, a man for bonds, a man for against the Kumbutum, a Carabacano. Now, oh dear, I'll be to Academa. FFA, we have Gosway caskets, a son and a maker. Kumasi, a man from Town, liberal about the hall, and a master at all. Oh, Fernahome, now I know, sweeping quite up a video cabinet as well. Obey the amount the graces need now, obey the amount come. Oh, bra, so when this Cacorano, you be free war. we free na we are to 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 Mrs. Subi 0243 737 457 friend what they say free mu and oba kumasi gia uduru gia umodenya what take so free mu ana ene master to medical ni ko kora ansa na wakọ obekọ na ze bia no de din ene de ye nse dem nsu bebre obra e de say free mu en kan na skani ho nei master to this kanaba say bra na covid-19 ni ontumi amo eguso be di nkomo wade nkyerɛ de bɛba ne nyamera kenkan na waduma ye no ɛyɛ sinupi iko bi edi ne bia no enyakotre na yɛ sinupi awenko bafo we kakra on allegations near the Mamafi.
But your interest or no also the NFA because it's one of our seats. The Ukrainian Union knew you guys said Jerry, the Transit, oh, Jerry, and Tapa, Jerry, the Transit, the Ragunin, city to bar, and this is the chair, MP 2060. You guys account, Tapayan, your cocoa so confusion. So we call independent. Oh, independent, no private. The original minister. Yeah. And the nipple being, I don't want to go there. So I'm in the call, Sita. Around 2 other cocoa German, this one cocoa so confusion. What's there? Some for my head. More than Tapa. For the past 2 months, now I'm not going to meet yet to where man so much sell. And you say, yeah, you society. You know, you got the same thing, Abdul Salam. You pay almost on an open and also disqualify the quarter of an year. And on one level, why this is in and there are also there were about 31 constituencies, and this is the chair MPP. Are difference in the 500 vote man. Oh, okay. First of all, it's not about the win, the margin. They make they be positive drama on for him, Mr. Edward. The beer will be any this margin here more than 500. Means that one parliamentary candidate in a year no company. This time all the corrections are the two abandoned and this will have majority in parliament. The two abandoned majority in parliament. I am before now aware. But aside the no drop also the American ones. Every before that down. Drop also if you are difference and I won't say 4,000 difference. You know 4,000 3,000 something. So you might think say 3,000 they make money. And yes one say and then yes what. Drop also the top college is around 10,000. So if you have electoral college of about 10,000, now we know Panam to move 4,000. It's a safe seat. Although a political analyst, I will need politics to be able to say it's a safe seat. But that before they say 4,000 margin, 4,000. In the total vote, I need 10,000. And I mean between maybe 2 or 4,000. It's a safe seat. It's the door you are one in the pump promo there being now. But it's not a good man, so you're party about the year. No, Job also was not even having any creative nobody DC. It is Domama and a creative district. No, yeah, don't saying the first and acquire not die of them pride. Office of Betanapra was not there. He started everything from scratch. Who shall not say Yabuzano? Or CBBR police station, a municipal district office, BPMG, try. And you have building community day school, your mom, and you have building area. It is a new area here building, and then on one DC you could do on. Then you have to create a shitty BBA. And the person trouble and say, you know, before a corner, you have come 2020, and your money made to fall this one team. Ghana 4 years to say, oh my mistake, after our money, no correct, in 2020. Therefore, near Papa, catch your mama see a cell, the patrol, Yanini. So, a idea, I have 1 year Papa recognize it. I don't know how one is for man for Ghana 4, I don't know Michelle, baby. If I jump you, but Montomus, only Montomus. Michelle, I don't know, so come on, come here. No, say that. What's it? Never been here, but we, I'm saying that. What's that? What I put to you, fertilizer near the money, a giant. You could put almost a button 80 Ghana cities. Maybe you can find 80 Ghana cities for him. I'm saying just what's I? And fear me and send me a number do what Montomus, if you don't know already. And fear me and send me a 2 cocoa for 10 Ghana cities. Domama, FA Cocoa 212 in 2013. All free power 2016 475 or to more than 100%. 3 years in your 2 cocoa for 10 Ghana cities. After Domama to cocoa was 2016 or to move 50 Ghana cities. enti koko gani ni transidi o se ni fertilizer na biom koko na ye ntum ni koko rose na o ma start here mo ba na mo se mo ye auditing 3 years ni auditing ko na mo nyi koko ni kwa ni nyina asa ada ne mo ntimo ha enti san nipa we mo nyina no o mo tena se din ya mo se every before the nada ni nkontompo ni atoro ni nkontompo no mo dia be ja ko na enti people are ready mo for go treat say October 2020 ni asa ko fa jo mama na be biem amane de fertilizer bread amana to koko ma fi bia amana be koko rose mai enti enye san fences what to limit to for this and to part of the good dog so and when you go on potem one no appreciate the we will so win the seat to far as any other constituencies bebre among for who say se pepun to o potem one ni pe party or pa or dream going to
well yeah share voter registration exercise no na Yanko Western region, Elibu, one of the border towns, in say a also no Sasuja for people who are as no saying, and I see a possible every boost, and I was here. Rashid Muhammad, a correspondent. Rashid Rotten kind of anyway. Rashid Rotten kind.
Yeah, but don't Canada.
Very well. Another tip, why over Western region, Elibu. Registration of a coso. Say the city or
okay. Nana, what you can remember with the free Narajo, more about some fabric radio. My always the time was shake media towards the end. Now, what shall you know? Now, expectation now that every two go on smoothly. In terms of what shall you know? Now, the okay, even though Yamana Bantam, but the starter no. One shadana one ba to the man because of Michino maybe Manori into Amaya and Shasti or Honanti or my Drake a crab bar from the beginning. But to baby no Bibia was touching Bibia, Amana Bibia all can ask waiting there delays in the book on but Nana this time around because there been war again there. BBC and answer in some way, no, what prevents from not voting into a month of February when you have the registration to power now, Eba, and Elubuha. Yeah, offered already to be above political parties now, one restaurant. Or share about the registration in Papa now on your artery, Katraba and Canada. Odu baby, no, and someone today, Nina, there. Pending to full or Hanos there every people will play some with the answer where the one or we use one again and as well for Cambida. I want no on Kaya one down. In the other baby no ama and to what about a madam I had 2 parties in some bound tema a chuno I have police for na police station into that time for not a police station for there. I want a number of police for inside one. Unlike I don't know what from the natural majority now about the baby and now what it is them Jamaican natural any about venue and you see any that as Yamano Cordano maybe and I in today a soldier to win some once over putting our town in my own song well you only Juma as to them I now yet say no there will be you only Juma our brother our do for 1 year, be the one man will be up and Emma on to now to year our mining now on the register. I brought on your gun and see what good our only demand for now the registration as usual or for those LC as them are in Nayan by button and as in Nayan by button there. Nanka, you mentioned by year I asked you know so now. I have to aside any that not happened then when that is your who be the item until you're hoping then my don't happen no. I imagine no call this smoothly no. About Chadano Apodana as a atta in the year.
But Rashid, Sibima or Daroma, a soldier for a war a little.
Hello, Nana.
Or more one day upon on way.
Hello, Nana.
Because I said a soldier for a war more than the swan. A dear pan on where about the swan.
Nana been too cut any you.
Well, the National because I said. Military personnel, Ghana border, Elibo, and the Ivory Coast. Exactly what are they doing?
register ne nhyɛ da ho.
I think Rashid Mohammed, a Western Regional Correspondent based in Elibu, and I'm watching in Kainti. What I thought, what I can't, Soldier for Soldier for Ania Commercial, if you so Elibu. We say, please, this is the cluster of Atebu. I maintain, use it to, but okay, super Masaudi Bantama, and so at the other day, Abba was said the compilation of new voters register has indeed activated all the strategies from the NDC playbook, all to no avail, as the decision of the EC, an incompetent body, has finally prevailed. New register is a done deal regards to Honorable Kwame Asamoah Boateng DCE for Jakubu. Okay, Honorable Abba, I don't know. This person not at the resting day. Okay, I told you, I know they fear about 1 mile detail of their registration centers are a war at from phase 1 to phase 4. Based on the resting now, what to me at the Abba. I mean, so also 1 mile that briefing from Atubu Amantin was said the government has already started the Tibet program under COVID. Under COVID.
Yes.
So NDC has lost it all, really, and so they are the Abba and no. Okay. University. I'm not aware.
You go there.
I'm watching you from Nsuta. Please tell the NDC to put their head down in shame for rejecting the register and going into the register. Okay, I'm so at the Abba, I don't know, right? DJ Omale and YOC, we are ready to register. Samai, all of us will register, so we entreat all Ghanaians to go out there and register and vote massively for Nana Akufo-Addo come 2020 December 7. Well, you find a commission there in Sia. Now, just in a few seconds, you're back. Dominic Yao, them level, a auditor general. His Excellency say he should proceed on leave. Why? Because 3 years I could live 9 days per. I can't 123. It's all advance or so. The question I'm going to say, CEOs. Any other institutions are and Penifana Sotom when would the president write them? These and many more issues are arising. Ever,
Yeah, wouldn't say want to me cry.
Right, yes, I am Akwaba and from a Sinupi on Comerwood TV. I said, a PSC and confirm his Herbal Center and our face on God's Way Casket. Dominic Yao, them level, a Auditor General, my Ghana, December 2016, and the then His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, an appointment. When I say His Excellency on Monday wrote to Dominic Yao them level. Say, why are you my baby in Femi and Sunday tree? On call leave that. And we answer be call leave. Leave for quite 9 days. It's shot. 123 days or why I think I could take out my also the uncle na Omra December. There have been a lot of issues concerning the issue of proceed on leave. Say His Excellency, I was there 2 minutes now. Franklin could you cry? They will say, we know man penny, you know. A form of intimidation. Said they have a panogram, won't to me and do also here. The Batwaba now, what me for Columbia zone and Crofobia, Buffett be nice and one is up. It was so idiot, most I didn't say, whatever, then I'm ready to me, I can kind at the amount. I mean, that's if you Patrick. But for, sir, a mandatory looking at the Labor Act, the section, I think, section 20. And section 21 and that of the 31 of the Labor Act, 2003 Act 651. A mandate to make Medibia. And then I went there, they acquire a lot of allegations here and there.
Well, you did say,
but I'll go 4 minutes.
Leaders and my follow, and then my also and the question you will serve because of a speech. Yes, I will be the only I issue. Because one of the finest Auditor General Ghana are witnessing in our history. I say, oh, the Mimi Ubisamekwana is the best Auditor General ever. Now, Oye Nipabia, with me or customers or house or bear with nothing no way. Nipa saying the Benya could go investigating or something. How many Auditor General in Ghana can get that carry? But this man was able to investigate or something and set charge or something.
But at the end of the day, what happened?
I don't make a choice, or say, charge you, say, contract here, or we didn't use also on Papoyano. The court here for your contract in you to just kind of a Ghana. A hawk and a cocoa, which I say. Let's see, Papa, I feel it will draw than what the example can remember. The second most powerful man in Ghana today, Papa investigating, as it was, I said, charging, come here for so could be our local. But on no be able to be to occupy because. So we in if you want my one sharing your minds of us one. Now the account what you crown is okay, I said COVID-19. I'm call Parliament. Only 280 million is the call for lockdown period. In the 280 million, almost the said almost spending 200 million our sanitation and water. No one spending 40.3 our food and I am one. No one actually 40 million our Jania young one. It was 3 months budget on the call Parliament. Lockdown no 3 weeks spend on the energy. Into minority a press conference. Any a cast Auditor General wanted to one. If you 17 times what the 200 million Ghana cedis within lockdown period, what the change so a mamma for the good tank come to cover and so the German for. Who said Montana was over? They took Roma say there was an allegation. Sir, and your money at the basket from our own for lockdown. Who could do more more I was tafu. There's an allegation I buy a month for the NUTIA. And oh, Massa. And so we call on that the Auditor General said, on your auditing, because acquire COVID-19 xenophobia, upper bone and more cocoa, or movie COVID-19 xenophobia. On boy editing, let me be only Ghana second from mine. Why not before the Kai? Yeah, man, it's not on some COVID-19 auditing, no some of us and some family. And yes, I police. Me, Namaya by Juma. But Juma Namaya very sensitive. Auditor General, unless auditing, no, I say, I buy a funny, I buy institutions, you know. Sika over Chassa over the wire, the Yampa. Edin can at the corner of Papoy no say be a dine or so of Acusia. Sika or Chas or Jatosono. A young passes Escano, a Sadano, and then a Kubalenti. ebiom and sika na ọka so ọde bẹyà no ọde kọ yẹ yẹ ana sẹnyẹ saa no ahyẹ no na de aba ne yẹ fún ẹgyina so di nipa na akọ court ne akọ akọ gyi sika ne nsa de ama aban sẹ adeɛ na ɔyɛ de wɔn anyɛ ne yie na adwuma de yɛ adeɛ a ehia ɛyɛ very sensitive such a person ɛnam sɛ papa ne nim sɛ n'adwuma ne hia nti no pɛne ibi n'akyi bi ne baabi yɛ aduru otumi ko sɛ ampa ntɔka so wɔn nim leave wɔn nim leave.
Bafo oye you know say it is an incumbent on every worker.
But you can give it out.
Give it out.
You can give it out. Don't
you also think so also
you don't assume, you see, you don't assume and make conclusions.
Okay.
Men are the one I mean here cases to go anymore investigate that one matter can for corruption and go for the your buy I'm going to any different. Oh, we this can say nobody display to the of way. I'm
starting here where say edwuma be good na so. But the mran say ko li. Enti wontimi mfa no nya scheme.
Are you not surprised that? Me na me te one na me here edwuma. Me nim the workload dey go.
Okay.
The importance of edwuma na me here. And me say ampa eza ka me go li but Ghana no don't see. Let me sit there na me nya edwuma. And am say why corrupt. Now our politics are corrupt. Now our government is the most corrupt ever. Ghana witness here. We so afraid. And we are getting say quite afraid to go to Aba. And this can trace our police for any man. Ghana for any now they say before the corruption. They want it. But then and I'm the attitude. You are pushing the man who is responsible of taking all these corrupt practices. Niami can say, now I go forward to say, on your corrupt. But I didn't be away you just say, or you're corrupt. This single act.
Emilia Aswase, was it go out there and register and kick the super incompetence, unaware family and friends and chop government out? Or not the Abba and so and no. I say good evening, Sir Mike. Please kindly ask this question for me. If Daniel Yao Demlevo should proceed on leave, how many CEOs in Ghana have the president asked them to proceed on leave? And again, has the president asked electoral commissioner Jane Mensah to also proceed on leave? Ask.
Answer na mekoso. Who can say na bafo etua. Can say bi say ye to abanda NPP you be lose seats.
I say about 31 seats.
Umbe win. Before say what one no e don rare e bi nwo ntu betumi aka say uko deny phone na no ene me do akosi e ka ben wotwe. One no de o de aka wie they say ya be do no. They say bonga no be ko na tanga no ne be. Me de minim say NPP for be hwe Ghana for nyina e be hwe adwuma pa na do danko akufo ado abo no ma to aye so. Hwe ni nua ukoso am police station. E to da me bi na me konkra me ka say me so le ahomache akọ te say me duru ntem me duru police station ni mo anadwo 1-3 am na mago ho e ton niema wo bututu mo wiem carpenter fo behwe na mo team fifire say yo benya sika dia hwe wo ma school adodan kwa bai wo se school no mo njai sika no mo mboa no mfantua nsisi adan ma mo ha me tue school fees no enkola wo ma me no aton jene mako e dia hwe wo mu amoma wie polytechnics e bi wo first degree no ma sa na fi ni e to adwane ma wo mu di na ma school kura ho ni mfaso na na adodan kwa se me mo mmra me fa mo napko na mo ni experience na mo senya sika e dia tu bu tomato dia na di ama mo ma me no hu se e hwe mo hwe mo no e ho aba mfaso safo yo ene behwe no mato na na ado so tu so ti ha na ase de mo wi a ese wara abato ni du a Ghana fo na e be kire se ho na wo se woko bi nua domlevo na ye de hwe ewiase aye wo no ye fra bibi ILO International Labour Organization wonim wo mu na hwe obi a wo ye adwuma wo wiase nyina wo hwe ye nso wo mu wo mra ebo worker bia ho ban sana make occupational health and safety ni nyina ye labor issues ye bia say eyemra se obi a wo be ye adwuma ama employer bia no ebre bi du a e wo se wo ko leave wonim our merits and demerits be brave because say we ye worker na ka say me de me ko leave kura e de na part le wa pomoden kura no e be techima o be ye adwuma ni se be drum le go be say wo bu put me for adwuma bi mu o just say you become a burden to the employer. So wako befi a wo hwe wo na wo san ko high obi foforo e dia san be hwe no does it make sense and until we adwuma e wo set wo call leave meaning sometimes enkrofo bi out of sika wo penti wo be say oh ya ton ye leave me abrochi me ton me leave that because na me ne ja pese me be ye adwuma me ye tia ka no wanya but I thought that would do stage there you don't need it. Domrevo doesn't need it. When the catcher said Domrevo, ye Juma Santi, Ghana 4%, ye didn't leave.
For what? 4 lines into na what was Sami. I was ya maybe a manatum. 0200 603 602. 0200 603 602. If I tell Fra, first of all, lower the volume of your TV set. Na eti on our phone. Sremo Amadaruma. Where is our Manibaji?
Say, and then the correct that say, Domrevo ye be this no enti na was any crisis ye no ne bread do se okwa e wo se wokọ where there is a president nanado all be kano wo gina bibi so say 2009 in fact April owura Edward Dua Ajiman Professor Nose de na wo ho o ka che say oh auditor general what na adwuma mu a che wo leave no wa accumulate ko ne ko di leave no enti bi asida nanado wonya ade a bi nsi da the call na no sa ejumu Ghana and the he doesn't lie in the mouth of anybody.
Jemensa wono
Jemensa what you say wako again Jemensa buy what you say eduru ha obeye say Jemensa wako
good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah,
good evening. Mr. Tua, I said, Dr. Pemichana. I just senior brother, so I said, Dr. Pemichana. Dr. Penny, Mr. Brother, so. So, put it on a weekend, Sumami, and I got, but to train, let 2 years, you know. The week could do ya now, Waba. Kaka make an say, nothing your bro, I can be said. A doom from my no, what no, quite a green former, Sadio former, and an uncle father, Babashu Mitika, and the first ally, or what to come Musu, senior brother, uncle, and Chomo, and then to come, you did that, like this, I would thought. It's an uncle father, Kwana Baya, and no in the Doba Jamesa Baya, you can register as the terms of Motown, and the crew from Motown, it's a 6 days later, and then Nansen drop for Mutikuma and Makama Watu, and the Bugulu Tot, who's order how the brain ever Kruma. Oh, no, Kufab Nankata 2020, Miss First Allow DK customers now will be a bag. You're about 12 bed champa, guarantee was air chain, Obianco register. But that's it.
And so, Medasi, also between 0200 603 602. Oh, now all over the volume of your TV set. Or you just listen to yourself on the phone. The can be now, a bit in loading come on. So, just remember that.
I know to the American say, Nanado onya de bonibia, a yemra, a reasina, a jitum, and Mra Ghana Mra, a shemukina, say, Obi Juma, ne do so liver, and was sewoko, and no day, a year Juma. Now, when Mikacho says, sir, liver yakono, a one merits, a one fast walk, because Obi what number be a child for so long, or no crown will be ponia, one fair woman. But Oko liver, which me say, hey, say we know your papa and I said, on your body. Apart from that, Makacho said, even the health, crano, and who bet me a teachima. But what you say, and the TN shares are the winner, then your politics say, Unyaki, we are not, and this is for some in the way. More Casano, who do you mind? You if you who can say, big
okay, my own camera. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have free?
But your friend of Sekoko.
What's up, free?
I'm a cassette free Kenya Fiabre.
Okay. What's up, you?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a Sunday, you know, Bremo. You see, class an hour in a team.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and you made the American say, I'm saying, you know, and this, you know, propaganda near the same factor or the cancer. You best Ghana, Mrawaha. Say, Obi, Juma Penny, nothing, a brass to say so uncle leave. Was a chinchinia because of say, a buying will be oriented. It one a fan who Jumana, and one a fan who Juma. Emra and a casa. It is so uncle leave. You would be a sequine.
Okay.
And about to also electoral commission is saying now they are and idea and 1 year because me Kumasi me to about me come. I think I started and no matter who see me come. They say me one now me dey my dear. Maybe I have to share no so. Now we call my to maba.
Okay.
Mama ko claim
hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Ma TV lo nko from na yentio. Why?
Mbajo yo, good evening.
Yeah, we dey free.
We can say free Kadi.
Kadi, okay, yentio.
Yo bacho NDC ni MPP no mo tuono. E no wa so bukra na omo tuono mo mu dwo mo nu sa amanyoko mi nu wi. Omo nya amanyoko e se Ghana for dwo mo ki bia because omo mi ni no mo tuono omo ni mo hu. We ka we na we ya ka na minor tuono me me be TV na me so mo programs this minor tuono wa ka se na na do free education da no e pa no so onu free education won. Onu free education.
Oh, too bad. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you have free?
Yeah, me ka free konongo.
Odin.
Yeah. Mo ya na mpesa me baso.
Yeti o hene.
Yeah. No more can be also MPP ni NDC. Then me can say omo chese electoral commission no wa hihye yen kono wo kra wa hihye ba bia omo eye no yesu days odaso a na wako enti ye ho ayo abotre na me no mo ka bibi se yesi akeka ikaniema bia bom ba me ne nyaaju
Okay.
Also MPP for no the way omo si kasa ne NDC the way NDC ni si kasa no ata ni omo kan sem bom bebri enti no omo encheche emanfo mu yi na manfo ntia because electoral commission ahihye a sentence no bebre enti yesi date we also mbeko date we so beko ba na do aya de party say nyemi hu se wa ma school no anye free anka be ha Ghana for pa because ye check the nyema mu ani panti ase still ani panti ase enti free education na do ora ba abe bo Ghana pa be me adwumu abie wo nyema ho pa nyami hira mo
Right, we shira wo so hello, good evening. Abani, good evening. Okay. Edmund, can you? Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. Bacho ma TV lo mo nko form. Ma nko form pa ne tie won phone. Sa ne betimi atom kan yi. Edmund, KNUST. Also, no wonder Akufo-Addo is the most mafia person in Ghana. Wow. Oh, no. Evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. My TV will phone. As a president, he is also supposed to go on leave too. Ask him if he has been on leave before. Again, say okay. Hello, good evening. Okay, who is a friend? I'm a friend.
Asilio Sampa.
Okay, yentio.
The message is yeah, I'm busy no kind of anyway we are free education. The free education in the Papa Muna way.
Okay. I think we've got to your point.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Sir Mike.
Good.
Sir Mike, Congress in your Medufin shall pay an dream.
Very good. Congress,
Sir Mike, my man, I send you, Namicha, I'm your Patrick, Edumaja Obama, Santamana, Ghana, mine. Sir Mike, I'm saying the work and send now, I'm saying, Electoral Commission, my man, and this is for when you catch and say, if you are over Betron Katobo, and the destroyer Chono, and the Adana Mamo, a big sita in Ghana history, say yes, so doing. Never put much a pie, you know. Shana JC, and what about so? The Yaka MPP for, and then we go hooligan for and say, Munya we throw Nagana, and you'll be at you. Now, 2 million, and then I want to 2 million.
tumi badane the tumi na kwakwadi obi ho enti ye stress Ghana no asomdwe na Kwame Nkrumah digaye no mo ma fa sa asomdwe no ye fa nti o ma we mu na tincho aye tro no NDC for ye willing say ye betro di no they asesa abai no because abai no betra so mfen.
But I say last caller, good evening. Hello. Okay. Well, yeah, fancy now. Yeah, sorry. Mr. and Mrs. Donko, Mo Elwood, Judge Tikrum, a very good evening. And then young call Axim. Now, Mr. Aka, oh, Axim, Mr. Champon, so, you are watching us live. And Papa me, Roy Champon, also, Yamawajo, anyway. You call the crocodile.
Yes, they are called now Mamimo MDC, the party executives now, especially branch executives. Said here, almost so registration in one, or what form, if you will few, none of maybe I'm a call aircraft, said you will say, come in with motorbike. I'm from Mobile, you should be a movie in an only training. Not as who said the party for this, a year or two to watch it, any apple farmer. Obia TAB Betroni dinner and see a pop especially a branch executives, your ward executives, and your constituency executives. Said your master Suma Washa says, a show be a cry and say, Munkromusa, Namunyamu, if it's a 2 million, I'm not Dominamidi. I say, young NDC for the best soon near Genia Bedigana for through. It's my more party for us, especially a grassroots to follow Mohammed. Maybe I will be our branch executive, your constituency executive. Or PPR or contribute to more pulling agents. Said almost a few.
Okay, but that's it.
John Mama near DC. Omuko voter ready now. Almost like Fumbunko to get Snemo. Omo Deuro will be a register. Omba Shanty Regina. Hey, comfort the Abamu be a register. Say I no more yet. But the mechanic said, Obian Quabonti. Non call register. Say ya cluster wa do so say baby a to abano afidie na besi won no akọ but they won't make an say okwa bo ho e bai e kote ya dey because Ghana hiaw ye hiaw abai we hiaw ye hiaw so bia be alive and kicking so December o be to aba ama ento aso aba
ya fasira emfama Richard Bwadi Swedwa NPP member, senior communication team member and a president at the Yenu Anomoa, Omo Asante Fonomatiku, Asante region, Asante Development and Defense Forum, and Ote Nkanasanso, and Bafo Kwame Etua, and so a secretary to Asante Development and Defense Forum, and then regional communication team member for the NDC, and I will take on also Enka. Yafas Damau. Say Otina TV National Oshé. Me producer Bernard Ade, cameraman Kobe Frank, Ochinozo, the one production manager, MCR, VTR, Loretta, and our face Augustina. Me executive producer Samuel Pabna Dakon, aka Sam Dakus, and they Yaniki, and our face Queen AG, almost a boy. Executive director and the producer so some darkness. Meaning at the Michael Nana Adumakon. Yame Adumakona Obesai at Yanka. Yamisha non come.